Okay, so this is a town. I want to cover the differences between the EF1 and the EF3 and the EF5. So this is a standard town, and then this is an EF1. And you get fence damage, broken tree limbs, mainly just fence damage. Now let's kick it up to EF3. Now you have massive roof damage, house damages. Houses are basically destroyed. Major buildings make it through okay with a lot of solid concrete, like a school. And let's go to an EF5. An EF5 is also called the finger of God, and it basically strips everything down to the foundations. Even the stone reinforced steel buildings get torn up. So that's the differences between the EF ratings 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Most people have been through a 1 and a 2. A 3 will alter your life. Your house can make it through a 2. An EF0 is 65 to 85 miles an hour, and there's minor damage. Shingles get blown off, and tree branches are broken. An EF1 is 86 to 110 miles an hour. Mobile homes get overturned, your roof gets damaged. Your EF2 is considerable damage. Roofs are torn off, cars are tossed. EF3 is severe damage. Damage to large buildings. EF4 is 166 to 200 miles an hour, and houses are leveled. Exterior walls of brick buildings can collapse. And the EF5 is 200 miles an hour plus, and the homes are just taken away. And the structural, they're even high-rise buildings which have a total steel frame, even they're damaged. So that's the cartoon version of this, and this is the town beforehand. So there you go. Anything EF1 and above is serious.